Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I am just doing a quick little tidy up. This is a Friday and I have to take my son to his dad's, and my stepkids are also coming to us on this day. So I wanted to make sure that everything was in its place. The bathroom was cleaned up. I picked up every room in the house, but I didn't have to do a lot in each room. It was just a little bit. I just had to like pick things up here and there, make sure everything's in its place. The other thing that I wanted to work on was my husband's desk that he took over in the living room, but he did not want me to move the paperwork that he had on there. So all I really did was just tidy it up. I didn't organize it the way I would have liked to. And here's a new hamper that I bought for my son. He likes these plastic ones for some reason, which saves me money because this was only $7 at Walmart. But I went ahead and got him a black one because we're going to do a whole makeover in this room, and he's going to have an accent wall, and it's just going to be just different in here. So I wanted to go ahead and swap out that green hamper for this black one. And then I also bought some hangers for myself that were on sale. Walmart has a really good like sale thing going on. Like there's a lot of stuff that has been lowered, which is crazy because a lot of stuff is like the prices are going up. But I did manage to find a few things that I'm going to share in this video. So let me stop talking here and let's go ahead and get into this video. Guys, so this room is done. It only took me about 15 minutes to do, not that long. I had already vacuumed in here before, and I want to show you guys. I think I shared it in my last video, but here is this little thing I got for my son. So I got it at Home Depot for $1, just because these rooms, teenagers, it stinks. But I put it here by his behind the little nightstand there, and it does help. It keeps the room smelling fresh. But those are clean clothes. He's gonna put those up. That came out of the dryer this morning. His blankets, and then I left his jacket here because I'm assuming he took his other jacket to school, and that one's super light. So, and it's super cold. It's like 32. Well, that's not super cold. I'm from New Jersey, so, but that's cold to me now at this point of my life. When I was little, I walked to school in snow, had snow boots, the whole entire thing. But I moved to the South when I was 17, and I'm just used to this weather. But 32 is cold. So I'm going to leave this here so that way he can swap jackets. And then what is this? Oh, I went and got this for him this morning. He needed a notebook for his history class. So we're going to leave that there. And this lamp here, I think I shared it in my last video. I bought it for him. I wasn't sure if he was going to like it, but he does like it. As you can see, he can charge his phone. There's his block. And it's just an LED. It is pretty light. I mean, pretty bright. It's an LED light. So he kind of just, you know, points it down when he's doing his homework here. What else? That is it for this bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and move on because, like I said, I have to leave by 4 something and it's 2:15. So we are going to move on to the next room.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that was spread.
All right, y'all. So I am going to challenge you guys and challenge myself. So for the month of February, I decided to clean a space in my home that I have been neglecting, or something that I just don't clean on a regular basis. For example, it could be your refrigerator, your baseboards, your windows, your washing machine, your dishwasher. I decided to do one task every week along with my regular cleaning, my deep cleanings, and my daily cleanings, just because I noticed a few things around the house that I'm like, you know what, I need to get to this. I need to do this. I cannot keep putting this off. So I challenge you guys for the month of February to tackle a space or something in your home that you have been neglecting and get it done. And I'm so excited to do this. So if you guys want to do it with me, you can. If not, that's completely up to you. You can, you don't have to, but that is what I'm going to do to get to some of the things in my home that I have been neglecting.
In your arms of gold, it's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
All right, y'all. So all this is done. Bathroom is done. Let me show you this. So these are the hangers that I use. And the reason I'm showing this to you is because I went to Walmart a couple of days ago and I bought a few things. And actually, I went in there for one thing. That's why I didn't have a buggy. But I ended up walking out with maybe 5 things like in my hand because I had never seen those things there. And also because of the price. So these right here are my favorite. When I first bought this box 2 or 3 years ago, maybe, these were like $9. And then they just kept going up in price. And a couple of days ago, I saw these and they said $15. I'm like, there's no way that these went up to $15. I mean, it's possible because everything's gone up. But I pulled out my phone and I pulled up the Walmart app and I scanned it and it was $9.97. So I'm like, yep, this one's definitely going home with me. So I picked up another box. But they also have, I don't know what color, I don't know the name, but it was like a light, almost like a light, very light green, like a pastel type green, I guess. And then I think they had the gray and then the black. And I thought that was a really good deal. I mean, I didn't scan those to see if they were all the same price, but I went actually this morning and they were still showing $15.58, but I scanned them and I mean, this one's still $9.97. I didn't scan the other ones just because, I don't know, I just went for this one. But yeah, definitely if you like these type of hangers, you know, $9.97 for 30, I think that's a good deal. So, but I also want to share this over here with you guys. So this is Bella's bed. She has 2 beds. And the other night I cleaned the carpet here and I did not want her laying here because she would dirty it again. So my husband, when I was in the shower, he went and got her other bed and put it here. That way she knows that if she's going to come in this room in the middle of the night, that is where she's going to lay. So of course she's been coming in here. This was like, I want to say a few days ago. So this bed has been in here for a few days and I've never had her dog bed in our bedroom before, but since she likes to come in here and lay on my husband's side, because this side of the carpet was the one that was the worst. It was so like orangey and it did a great job, that Bissell carpet cleaner. I love that thing. But it got me thinking, I noticed her bed was super, super nasty. So I think I decided for the month of February, I'm going to do like a 1 week, like every week for the 4 weeks. I want to challenge myself to clean one thing that I just put off. Or that needs to be done. So for example, it could be your refrigerator. It could be your washing machine. It can be your dishwasher. It can be your dog beds. So, I don't vacuum her bed as often as I should. Especially we do live on the lake and in the summertime, she loves to go out there and swim and she gets so nasty and she stinks so bad that I should be vacuuming this more often. But I do spray it down, but I don't vacuum it as often as I should. So got me thinking maybe I can do something like that for the month of February. I also noticed today when I was cleaning my son's room, his baseboards were dusty. And I was like, when was the last time I cleaned his baseboards? So I'm going to challenge myself and y'all as well, if you want to do it with me, either one room or, well, not one room, one thing every week, tackle something, or every day, however you want to do it. and challenge yourself to get it done. So I think for me, I think I'll start off with the dog beds, and it doesn't have to be every single day. I'm not going to do something every single day. I think I'm going to do something every week. So every week in February, I will post my regular videos, or maybe just one video and then plus my challenge. I'm not sure, or maybe 2 videos and then something that I'm challenging myself with, because there's a lot of times when I just don't want to. The shower is my biggest thing. But like I said, I noticed his baseboards were dusty, so that got me thinking, okay, there's definitely things in the house that I put off that need to get cleaned. So that's what I'm going to do, and I challenge you guys as well. But in the meantime, it is 3 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the closet, and then we're going to work our way into the living room. I want to work on that desk in there because my husband is using that as we speak. So here's the dilemma. So this is my desk, but a lot of this stuff belongs to my husband. So there's no organization. So we're not even going to touch this because this is going to change. So that's my printer, and I bought it specifically because I have a Cricut, and then here's my Cricut. So this is just jam packed. But some of this stuff is like paperwork belongs to my husband. So we're going to leave this alone. And then I'm going to go in there and see if we can figure out something for him, kind of organize it to where it doesn't look junky. I don't know what I'm going to do, but we'll figure it out. Okay, and here is the desk. So I could not do much here. So all I did was just kind of stack things up and just made it look a little bit more organized. And that was it. I really did not get to work on this, and I really wanted to go ahead and organize this. But like I said, he had so much stuff here that he wanted to come back and kind of go through it. And then from there, we can just kind of organize it to where it doesn't look a big mess. All right, guys, let me show you my Walmart finds. So this isn't Walmart, but I got these at Publix today, and I just kind of left them out because they have to be washed. But they're glass Tupperware Pyrex, and they were buy one get one free. And these were, I think these were like $2.50. I think this one was like $4, and this one might have been $6. I don't remember. But this is what I picked up at Walmart the other day that I was talking about, along with my blush hangers. So this is a cutting board. It was $10, but it does have these little containers at the bottom. So when you're when you're slicing, you can pull it out and just kind of dump your onions or your tomatoes or whatever. I mean, I don't know how great or how long it'll last, but for $10, I liked that it had those little individual compartments. I figured, why not? And then I got this flexible sink caddy. So I originally thought, oh, I can put it right here, but if I do this, like put this in here, it just kind of hangs here, and then the water turns on because it's a motion sensor. Click, turn it off. So then I thought we can like put it right here and just hang, and then have the sponge just laying right there. And I thought it was pretty neat. This was like $3. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I don't have to do really anything in the kitchen. I thought I did. This is actually pretty clean. There's nothing that I have to do except put up the cup, and then put up, looks like somebody used paper towel roll and then went and got another, I don't know. But I don't think I have anything else. Last thing, I guess. So this is the bed frame that is still needs to get downstairs. This is that new storage thing that I still have not built, that I said I was going to, but obviously I have not. And then, this mirror has to go up here. And then this table has to go downstairs. And then all this is going to Goodwill. So yeah, that's where we're at. Oh, and then more stuff for Goodwill here. And then this is going up in the attic. So that is all that I am sharing, that my husband has to go through. And let's see what else. I think that is it, but I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floors, and then that would be it for this video. And that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget about that challenge. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.